You already know what this is. Every household should have one. Every car should have one as well. I mean, everywhere you go, you should have access to a first aid kit. This one here is really special. It's the first one of its kind that, for us anyway, that we see that it has an actual hard shell. Really, really cool for this. And it has 500 pieces. I'm kind of blown away for how small that is, that you've got 500 pieces. Really nice. Look at this. Almost, you almost look at this and it's like weatherproofed zipper, right? It's really, really cool. So let's open it up and see what that looks like right here. So look at this. All the compartments are separated. You've got your accessories. Look at this, emergency accessories like a compass, like you've got some string, you've got, oh, this is, those are light sticks for at night. You can just break that and have light sticks. That's pretty cool. You've got ice. Are there cooling patches? Yes, soft gel sheets, or you break that, you get some. My goodness, you've got everything. Yes, you've got mask, burn care. So what I like about this is that the compartments tell you what all of this is. You've got your accessories like we talked about. You've got your cool and burn and your mask, of course, so that's one compartment. And then you've got another compartment under here that says wound care. So you're gonna see your bandages, your things like that. You've got, and this is also so important to get acquainted with this when you get a first aid kit, because this will be your guide to how to use all of these pieces right here. So everything is explained, everything it tells you what kind of recommended use it is, and then basically it tells you the basics, right? What to do when you have a nosebleed, how to check for airways, cold and fever, what to do, you know, all of this is how to do a tourniquet. Not a lot of people know how to do that, and it's super important. And you can do that with all of this stuff here. So I've got safety and hygiene. You've got gauze and bandages right here. I've got another ice pack, instant ice pack. I mean, this thing is packed. Oh, you even have something to do mouth to mouth, the safe way, which is really, really cool. Man, this thing is great. I love the fact that there's 500 pieces and it's not just one piece. As you can see, I've got my little lancet here. If you are diabetic, you need to check your blood. You don't have just one. You have a full set. So it's not something that's going to be a first aid kit that always needs to be replenished. Obviously, yes, you need to replenish it, but you're not gonna replenish it that quickly. 500 pieces in this little bag, I think this is a must.